Once upon a time, in the depths of the ocean, there was a kingdom known as the Silent Kingdom. The mermaids who once lived there were cursed by an evil sea witch, causing them to lose their voices and their ability to sing. The once vibrant and colorful underwater world had turned dull and lifeless, as the mermaids' songs were what kept the ocean alive. In this kingdom, there lived a young mermaid named Ariel. She was the last of her kind who could still sing, her voice as sweet as the sound of a seashell being held up to your ear. Ariel longed to hear the voices of her fellow mermaids once again, but as the curse had silenced them all, she was left alone with her beautiful voice. One day, while swimming near the surface, Ariel spotted a handsome prince on a nearby ship. She was entranced by his striking blue eyes and the way the sunlight glinted off his golden hair. As she watched him from afar, she couldn't help but long to be a part of his world. As fate would have it, a storm suddenly brewed, threatening to capsize the prince's ship. Without hesitation, Ariel swam to his rescue, using her powerful tail to guide the ship safely to shore. The prince was in awe of the mysterious mermaid who had saved his life, and he vowed to find her and thank her properly. Days turned into weeks, and the prince searched every inch of the ocean for the mermaid who had captured his heart. Finally, one day, he stumbled upon Ariel singing softly to herself in a hidden cove. He was spellbound by her voice, finding it more enchanting than any melody he had ever heard. Ariel was equally smitten with the prince, admiring his bravery and kindness. Despite the curse that had silenced her fellow mermaids, she found solace in the fact that her voice could still bring joy to one person, the prince she had come to love. As their friendship blossomed into love, Ariel faced a difficult decision. The ocean itself was beginning to fade without the mermaid songs to keep it alive. The once vibrant coral reefs were turning gray, and the sea creatures were growing weaker by the day. Ariel knew that she was the key to saving her kingdom, but she also knew that giving up her voice would mean losing the one thing that connected her to the prince. In a moment of selflessness, Ariel made the ultimate sacrifice. She used her voice to sing a powerful melody that broke the curse and restored the voices of her fellow mermaids. The ocean came alive once more, with vibrant colors and beautiful songs filling the water. The prince was amazed by the transformation, but he couldn't help but feel a pang of sadness as he realized that Ariel's voice was now gone. He reached out to her, taking her hand in his, and smiled lovingly at her. Ariel smiled back, her eyes sparkling with tears of joy. She may have lost her voice, but she had gained something much more precious: the love of the prince and the knowledge that she had saved her kingdom. And so, Ariel and the prince lived happily ever after in the Silent Kingdom, where the mermaids' voices sang once more, filling the ocean with their beautiful songs for all eternity.
Subscribe now and step into a new story where fairy tales come with a twist.